guys, Ray Felix here, and another game video for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 1 month. So, if you don't know this game, it's just Paper.io, okay? You can just download it in Play Store and it doesn't affect any, things, yeah. It's just a normal IO game. Okay, so without further ado, let's change her name to Raging Felix Gaming. Oh, let's just okay. So I began as a cake, so I love growing my cake. Your goal is in this game is to grow your big base thing, and you see that white tracks I leave left over, they can turn into big real cakes and marks if you go back to your base and yeah, hide. You see those other players, if they hit one of my tracks, I'll be dead, but if I hit one of their tracks, they'll be goners. So I'm already at the top 4. Oh, I hope you don't mind if I skip this video right here, guys. But hey guys, so we're back. Okay, this is an extra life, so we're in the top 5 now. So I'm sorry if I died because I don't really know how to play this game yet. I just only know the objectives of this game. And looks like we're winning. I got a kill. Yeah, everything's gonna be fine. And I hope we don't get killed or something. Okay, we're top 4. Let's aim for top 1. Okay. Okay, I'm top 3 now. The hell are you doing to my base? You can't do that because I am the owner of this base. Oh! Okay, guys. I made a big mistake there. I suppose that you can change your character to oh, let's go for B, because let's be a B, okay? I want to be a B, okay? Actually, the graphics is not that good, but it's very enjoyable. Yeah, played with your. I did not see that coming. Okay. If I die. Okay. This game may be a bit unhelpful to me, but it can. Yeah. It's hard. It can take out stress or something, but sometimes if you don't have luck, that stress will turn into that the stress will come back and torture you. Yeah. Oh, what? Okay. Yeah. What? I'm never playing this game again. No. But just last. Let's just finally make it to the top 5. I've. Okay, let's just do it. Okay, last game, guys, before we go to bed, because I'm so tired right now. I didn't go to bed last night. Oh, come on. Okay, let's just do this seriously. Heck, what the heck just happened? Okay, okay, okay. No mistakes, no rookie mistakes now, no rookie mistakes. Actually, the controls are good. You just point where you need to go, and then your character will go there until you change directions. So, for me, this is a 3-star game, so I hope you better, you know, download it and join me. Some other players are joining me now. I don't know if this is online or no, but I pretty think it's online. Because look at that names. Royce. You. I saw that. You're Scudderbutt, you digga. So, thank you guys for watching and stay tuned in our next video. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And I'll see you guys in the next video.